Hello everyone. Today we're working with the Zebra MC9450. This has not yet been released, and Zebra was a great partner and has delivered to us an engineering sample here at Stratix so we could be familiar with it and ready to help our customers use this to its fullest as soon as it is released. Let's go ahead and unbox this device. As you can see, we have already taken it out of all the plastics and charged the battery. Go ahead and pop it in. Power on. Now what's great about this new device, it is so fast compared to what I'm used to with other devices, the MC9400, etc. This thing is ready to go. It's like a modern smartphone device. It even seems faster than a lot of the smartphone devices I work with today. This device, just navigating around, you can see how zippy it is. Pulling up the menus, there's no lag. Launching an app like the Zebra Show app, so fast. It comes up brilliantly. When you get into things like the multi-barcode scanning, getting ready to take a scan and making sure that we're able to get all the barcodes on a label at once, it pops up very quickly and is ready to take advantage of the flex scanner in the front here, which is able to do 100 feet pretty easily, or the camera scanner on the back of this unit to make it where you could hold and use the green button to scan. And you see it pulled up 5 barcodes off of this label, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than 5 on the label, but it got 5 of them all at once and could be programmed to capture exactly the ones that you want to capture in one scan. This device also comes with a built-in OCR functionality when licensed correctly, and the demo of that is in here. I am going to select capture, and it captured all of that data that was in the image right here on screen, and I could select that, and it pulls it back into the same format. So this device takes advantage of both the built-in camera as well as the imager, giving you the long range when needed and the modern functionality of scanning multiple barcodes very quickly with as fast as it is. Now this is the 9450, which also includes very high-speed Wi-Fi and 5G cellular capabilities. The speed, the enhanced connectivity, and the built-in functionality are all what makes this device a true step forward in this form factor. One of the things that's always made the Zebra ecosystem so great for industrial use, for supply chain use, for retail use, is that these devices have a long life cycle on their own, but then when they do get refreshed, you could reuse those same accessories, that investment in your charging and your storage infrastructure that you may have, reuse the same infrastructure, investment in charging, in storage, in applications really easily. This device is the replacement for the MC9300 and is a full drop-in replacement in your environment. Zebra devices always come with the best in the OS updates and IT security functionality. Now that these devices are considered to be not only inside your 4 walls, they are also easy to travel with that cellular connectivity. You want to make sure that you're keeping these devices up to date and they're able to be used on the internet. That's why Zebra Lifeguard functionality is critical when planning out which devices to use, not just inside your 4 walls anymore, but also out in the field. Transitioning from the MC9300 to the MC9450 or from other form factors into this particular form factor, you're going to need an expert to make sure you have all the right settings coming over, as well as taking advantage of the new features such as the facial ID that is built into this device. That's where Stratix can work with you to make sure you're taking advantage of these features and your investment in these devices so you are set for the long term right up front. If you want to upgrade, Stratix is the expert in the industry and we're ready to help.